Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Dung, yaad. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Now today I want to do for you just a simple Jamaican recipe. It's just like not a recipe per se. It's just like a different type of Jamaican dumpling. Yeah? I have the cornmeal dumpling video on the channel and it was in depth. And I'm gonna do for you today a green plantain dumpling. Yeah man, this is a Jamaican thing and you can use banana too, green banana. But I have plantains, so I'm using. So now we have our green plantains washed. So what you want to do, these things they carry stain. And if they catch your clothes, it becomes stainy and it's hard to remove, especially green plantain and the bananas, green banana stain. So you want to do, you want to get yourself, this is what I see my mother always do. So I use it since I become a woman, I've been using it and it's the most effective way. So you want your hands will get greasy, but the oil prevents it from the stain and stuff. So you want to go ahead and peel your plantain. See it gets stainy. And if you are using aprons when doing this, it's best to use white apron because the bleach can remove the stain from the white. If you use the bleach on the colored aprons, you know, it's gonna just go white spots all over, right? So we're going to peel the banana. Apple plantain, sorry, I've washed them. So I'm using these two small green plantain because they represent one big one. So I'm going to use two. I might not use all, but as I go along you'll see. So I'm going to peel both of them. And I'm not sure if you know how to peel it. So look here, I have my Jamaican grater and I have my bowl. Use whatever. If you're using your 3 or 4 side grater, please to use this side, not the shredder side. So you want to go in. I want to peel it over here, as I don't want to peel it because it drops stain. The right ones doesn't have, but the green ones they do have. They have this stain, really hard stains to remove. So I would suggest when you're doing it, let's stay away from it. Or if you're in white clothing, it's okay because the bleach can take the stain and it not really affect the white. But once you're not in white, and I told you I've washed them before. So look here, you know it's a Jamaican thing all the way. So right now, from scratch, I'm going to go right in front of you all. I'm going to just lick off my 2 green plantain, grate off my 2 green plantain. So look what I'm going to do now. I'm going to grate off my 2 green plantain, and as you go along, if any little lumps like something like this come, you need to remove it. While grating, if anything like this comes, you need to remove it. We need pure green plantain. So as soon as I grate off this plantain here, you will see how I'm going to go next. See? Alright, so our green plantain has been properly grated off, and these are what I say you don't want in there. While grating, these might leave at the end, this flat part here, tough. So this is how the grating process goes with the plantain and the banana, so you don't want that in here. So with the two small ones that represent a big one, this looks like about a half cup of grated green plantain. Alright, now to this you want to add some all-purpose flour, but don't throw all kind of I'm gonna leave the link for you in the description for the cornmeal dumpling video when I tell you you're not to use all of your flour. You have to leave a little in reserve, that in case your flour get too soft, you have excess flour to bring the dough back to the consistency of what you want. So you're going to sieve out your flour on top of your green plantain like this. So it's like half a cup of grated green plantain or green banana and about 1 3/4 cup of flour. And this was 2 cups, and we're leaving back some to about 1. So but we're gonna leave for you the link in the description, because this goes like with a little kind of proportion thing, a little measurement thing. Because guess what? When I want you get it in such a way that you get the niceness of the dumpling. We don't want you put too much flour, too less of a grated green plantain. Alright, sieve out your flour, make your flour becomes light and nice. Doesn't matter if it says all-purpose or whatever, you must always sieve your flour. When you sieve your flour, you get a better eating dumpling. So we're going to put like this of salt, right? Maybe less than half of a teaspoon, and you can put a little butter. Not a lot. If this is optional, this is my way of doing it. But if you think it's good and you want to try, you can try. Pure tap water. Just regular tap water. Alright? Hands are clean, but I'm gonna rinse them. Because remember, dumpling you make your hand for clean. Yeah? Hand for clean, because you make dumpling. So what you want to do now, you want to get this flour incorporated with the flour, the butter, the green plantain, and the salt. You want to get everybody incorporated. So I'm showing you, but no water as yet, you know. You want to moosh around your hands. Look at what I'm doing. Are you in camera, girl? You want to moosh around because you want to get all of this green plantain here. Really absorb or get it all up inside the flour before you start adding water. You want to get it at a consistency before you start adding water. You know, don't just add the water like that. So you get it, you see this crumbness, you want to get it looking like that. So some people say make a hole. Me not make no hole, me just throw water, but a little at a time. Okay, if you want to make a hole, you can go ahead and make a hole, but I just throw water. And you know, doing your dough, you clean around the side of your pan and stuff. But remember, you know, in depth. Everything that I do is in depth. So you throw your water a little at a time. And you start to get the thing at the dumpling. You see the look at it? Look like cornmeal dumpling, but it's not cornmeal. So we mix in. So we are going to mix till we get the dough come together. I want you to see the dough coming right together. All right? Showing you, I'm not editing out, I'm not cutting nothing. I want to show you, I want you to look how you throw the water a little at a time so you get it right when you try to mix it. And you know that you're kneading. So you start now. This is where now you start now. Knuckling in, cleaning off everything that is on your hands. Not, you know, it's fine. No problem because your hands were clean. So you start now to knead in and you start to get your hands clean. Some pressure must be applied here now. Right here, right here. This is where you knead. This is how you knead the dumpling. And you're putting in some kneading. Putting in, cleaning around the side of the bowl with the dough as you go along. And the thing is coming into one ball. Cleaning around the side of the bowl. Alright. This is where the dough look like. So now, you get it all clean and your hands all clean. You're going to ball up this thing. And you're going to leave it here with a clean top cover, or I can't find no towel right near, so it seems as if I was not ready for camera. It doesn't matter as long as no hair is getting in it. Whether a clean cover, metal or whatever, plastic, or a clean towel, not damp. And you're going to cover it and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes to let the dough get to rest and come together. Okay, after 15 minutes, this is what your dough look like. First, when you press, it's not a yeast dough. So you don't have, you notice it's firm. You don't have anything puffing out. So it's a firm dough. So you're supposed to have some firm dumpling. So what you're going to need for the now, you're just going to get gently a little more knead. Because you're going to get these ruffiness because the plantain is in there. But mind you, when the dumpling is properly cooked, it will have the smoothness. So, you notice we're punching down with our right here. And we now get no here because it's not a yeast dough. And the dough has been properly kneaded, rested, and it's ready now to go make dumpling. Remember, in a boil, we are boiled dumpling. So we're not put no baking powder and no raisin thing in it. You understand? Okay, now water over here to boil rapidly. So we're going to turn it down to medium. Yeah? Because look here. We're going to put the dumpling then on medium. So what you want to do at this point, you want to get the dough manageable. So you kind of loosen it out to a length. Because when you do it like this, you're getting it manageable. Because you're going to break off pieces, you know, to make dumpling. So the first one I'm gonna show you how to make, and I tell you I'm gonna link for you in the description the video for the cornmeal dumpling. So where I make some little sexy, me call them sexy dumpling. You look a regular dumpling if you're at home and you cook some dumpling and banana for your family. This is how I make them. Am I going too fast? Then I come and I round in it. Some people just round in it and leave it. But I just use these two fingers. Look at me, y'all. And I put it in here. And I go like this. This is my style. They have all different type of way. People do it all kind of way. So when I do it at this, them look like this. So me call them sexy dumpling. Okay? Right here. So let me make another one for you. And you can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. Because some people, they do them thing different. So like this. Because the dough is manageable, your hands are clean. And you're rounding it. The dough is manageable, you know. Some people go so. And this is a dumpling, but this is my style. I get so comfortable making it like this. So I round in it, then I put these two fingers, my middle finger and my thumb, and I go like this. And this is my sexy dumpling. Yeah, man. Alright. The man them are Jamaica now. You don't know that. Them make some burger that dumpling, what we call it cartwheel. So I'm not sure if me can do good. So it's like them take 1 pound of flour and make 2 dumplings. So me I go try one of the cat here. Them come something like this. Big and bragged up and broad. Some of them bigger than this, you know. But that's what the man dumpling stay in Jamaica. We call it cartwheel dumpling. And all of the Jamaican, where from down here there, bringing back the memories, yeah. Cartwheel dumpling, man dumpling. Right in the pot. Now, this is the soup dumpling. You're rounding it and then you just go like this. In. Soup dumpling. Look at it. You're rounding the dough and you get it to a ball. So you want it to, look at this now. Slow motion. Are you in camera, girl? Right like this. And then you just pause and then you just start to go like this. Alright, let me give you one more. Soup dumpling. So you're rounding it like this. You see it round? You just start. Instead, you look at me all right in. I'm giving you every single thing. It's 2018. It's gonna be even more in depth. You understand me? So anybody will never can make dumpling because some people have a whole lot of problem with the dumpling making. I know that. So you come like this for your soup dumpling. And you stop and you just start to go like this. Soup dumpling. Whoops, me get burned. Now, some people say pinners, spinners. My mother told me it was spinners. Some just say pinners because it's a long gum thing. This is for the stew peas. Yeah. So you don't pinch off a lot of the dough. You pinch off a small piece and you just give it like, go it like this. Because it's supposed to be pinners because the two little end them supposed to be pointed. So me I give every farm a dumpling. The soup, the regular little house dumpling, cooked dumpling a pot when me call sexy. I just me give it that name, you know. I gave it that name. So you can call it so too, some pinners. And we have this here and we can probably get another sexy. Yeah, we can get one next to sexy. And we can get one. A sexy a little, but nevertheless, we get another little sexy dumpling. Look here. And we have one more soup dumpling. Okay? Inside of your pot. So what you want to do now, gently, because they might stick to the bottom of the pot. It doesn't matter if you have non-stick pot, yes or no. It is dough and it's gonna stick. So you just gently stir them up. Alright? Now remember, you never salt your pot. So you're going to So now salt your pot to your liking, but please go low on the salt. So this is like when me I go put. Because me always go low on salt. Okay? So you're going to make this cook now for another 25 minutes on this medium flame. It's dumpling, and if you cover it like this, it is going to boil and come up and it's going to froth. Lift over the pot at the top, boil up over the stove, maybe hold the flame, and all of that. Or if it don't out the flame, it just go all over the stove and mess up the stove. You don't want that. See, starting already. This is the nature of dumpling. So you're going to put the pot like that, cover like that, and you're going to monitor it. And if you see if it is coming up too much, you still go. Because my flame look like it can go a little below. When the dumplings are ready. Yeah, fam, right in camera girl. See what I'm telling you about the nature of it? So it gets so powerful for me now, it almost have it. And because this is extra powerful because the green plantain is in there. But look at it now. Look at it. When you look at the water, you see the water, you can almost see the dumpling them now. Because the dumpling cook on everybody. So make a turn off the stove now. Because the dumpling cook. But you see what I'm talking about? If it was any dumpling, whether it be plain flour dumpling, cornmeal, whatever, and then the green plantain with it power. Now we are going to remove each one of them. Well, the carrot alone are going to move because one carrot in there. So we are going to take out carrot first. Kind big and powerful. So we are use a slotted spoon. So I try to drain him off. So carrot come out. Carrot a king of the road. Yeah. And see we look a sexy dumpling. Out, one is out. We're gonna take out one of the soup dumpling. So I take out one of everybody show you, but I one carrot didn't there, so we have to take out the one carrot. Yeah. Remember we have little peanuts them. So see them come out there. Yeah. Right? Dumpling ready. Now the color of it will be like this. It is the plantain. If you had used the green banana, it would give you a color like almost like this. A little lighter though, but it would give you a grayish color. Now the plantain, remember when I grated the plantain, if you can remember the color that it was, so you would get it like this. Now dumpling ready. We are going to test that dumpling. Now trouble carrot and trouble man them. So make me chop a piece of the sexy. Make me cut sexy. So I cut her there. And the dumpling is soft. It's cooked and it's soft and it's nice. The dumpling is hot, you know. But you don't know what. I go put it. I'm not sure. Me not sure. I know Jamaicans, if you are real country, when I say country, I mean Jamaican, we born and grow in a rural part of Jamaica, like St. Mary, like this a St. Mary girl, and I'm telling that I'm not sure if me telling you, but it's a St. Mary, I come from a St. Mary, my born. So I know this green banana dumpling, plantain dumpling. I have some more to come for you know, like the cassava dumpling and some more, but I'm not ready to let out that secret yet. When I'm ready, I'm just going to drop them pound. I'm not sure if the people, like the city people, like Kingston and St. Andrew people, even if you are Jamaican, you will know it. But if you are not every country, because my husband come from St. Elizabeth and he don't know it. Anyhow, he know kind of dumpling, I don't know it. But this is my type of dumpling. Yeah, so this is the green plantain dumpling. Now watch here. Hey, you have that country. And little and you come from school and the dinner already and you're hungry. And your mother take out a piece of dumpling and give you a little butter. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hot dumpling and butter. I don't know laughing, you know. That me a long time, you know. Yes, man. Hey, that dumpling is not true. I cut and swallow dumpling. I only supposed to know that. I don't know about dumpling. I cut and swallow just for camera, right? Not properly true. Now, if you have liked this green plantain Jamaican dumpling, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Share it, share, and leave your comments below. Yes, man. 2018, I saw the thing I start out, you know. Debbie from Dung, green plantain dumpling, Jamaican style. Shut